Next configuration under GL account configuration is defined retained earning account. What is that? Defined retained earning account. This particular configuration helps us to transfer the balance of profit and loss account to balance sheet. Whenever I am transferring the balance of profit and loss to balance sheet, if it is profit, it is always added to the capital. But if it is loss, then it is deducted from the capital. So to transfer the balance, what we use? We use defined retained earning account in SAP. What is that? Defined retained earning account in SAP. During the configuration of retained earning account, what I'll do is I'll enter my GL account against the retained earning account. Let's say I give the retained earning account number as X. When I'm transferring the balances of all the GL accounts, the system will automatically calculate whether the credit side is more or the debit side is more. There is one more important concept under this retained earning account. One more important concept. So what is that important concept? Let's say the company or the business sells two products. It sells two products. Say one is mobile and another is laptop. If I want to generate separate profit and loss accounts for individual products for reporting purpose, then I will have to maintain multiple retaining accounts. Correct, right? I have to maintain multiple retaining accounts. So let's take an example as X and Y. Okay, let's consider an example as X and Y. X created for laptop as retained earning GL account under liability group, and then Y created for mobiles as retained earning GL account under liability group. So, whenever I am creating the GL account with respect to profit and loss account, every time I have to segregate the GL account whether it belongs to X or it belongs to Y. So that at the end of the year, what I can do is I can generate the profit and loss statement for individual products. I can even generate the combined profit and loss account too. Yes, it is possible. Normally, in the real-time project, we do not use this. Yes, we never use this. But SAP has given this option as well. Great, right? Good. Yes, I've seen few of the companies use this option where they want to generate the profit and loss account based on the products and sometimes plans, etc. Then, at that time, you are required to create the multiple retained earnings account. Guys, always remember that for the statutory purpose, we always generate the combined report. What we do? We always generate the combined report. The individual report is only used for the internal purpose. Yes, it is always used for the internal purpose. What shall we do now? Let's make the configuration in SAP. Shall we go further and do the configuration in SAP? Good. For the configuration, what we have to do? First, we have to go to SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, their financial accounting, general ledger accounting, GL accounts, master data, preparations, and now finally you have to click on this defined retained earnings account. Now enter your chart of accounts. Here we are giving the chart of accounts because we want to integrate this configuration with my general ledger. So guys, remember that whenever we are trying to integrate your GL accounts, we always do it via chart of accounts. I have told you previously. Correct, right? You guys remember? Whenever we are trying to integrate your GL account, we always do it via chart of accounts. So now enter your chart of accounts and just press enter. Yes. Done? Good. So as of now, we have not created any GL account in our SAP system. Remember this, we have not at all created any GL account in our SAP system. We have just entered the P&L statement as X and leave the GL account field as blank. What we'll do, we'll just enter the P&L statement as X and we'll leave this GL account field as blank. Right now, I'll save the settings. What I'll do is I'll just save the settings, and once I create my GL account, I'll just come back here and assign it, okay? I'll just come back and we can just assign it. Here you will get the warning message as you have to enter your account number. So just to skip this warning message, what you have to do is you have to just press enter and then just continue to saving the retained earning account configuration. Okay, done. Everything is saved. Good. So now this completes all of your configuration related to GL settings, and the system is now ready to create your own GL account. Yes, your system is now ready to create your own GL account. So in the next session, let's start creating our own GL accounts.